of the most experienced veteran in this industry, and overall he has a research background also. So the way he can think, probably many CEOs or maybe people in sales may not think in that way. So he is like a mix of lot of things.
And I must share with you that while Ramdevji is the co-founder of the Motilal Oswal Group, along with Mr. Motilal Oswal, he, despite being nearly 60 years old, and despite being a very busy businessman like all of you, right, continues to take out more than a month every year to go into hibernation, literally, right, to write the wealth creation studies, to collect all the insights, to convert the wisdom written in the books by the gurus, by the masters, into actual practical, investment frameworks, which I'm going to present to you today. So let me first start by sharing with you one of the wisdoms that we learned early on, that if you want to really enjoy competitive advantage in the stock market, then there are various types of edges. One of the most ancient historical edges used to be to read Economic Times, see the results of a company, read the annual report, and that information that you had, right, itself was an edge 30 years back. So all of you know who our inspiration is. Our inspiration is Warren Buffett, and his investment framework is to invest in a business he understands with favorable long-term economics, run by able and trustworthy, both, right? One without the other can kill you, right? Able and trustworthy management, bought at a sensible price tag. So this is the broad inspiration. It was written, many, many years back, 13 years back, in the 2007 annual letter. And what happens to the funds that we manage then? So almost all the funds across the board, mutual funds or PMS, if you have been an investor since inception, then you would have outperformed the benchmark indices, right? So we believe that building an armory of investment frameworks offers significant analytical edge. Investment frameworks accumulated over a period of time through wide-ranging reading and reflection is essential to making money. Anywhere between 23rd of March, when Nifty made a low of 7,600, and today, which is when Nifty is at 15,000. In fact, every month, we have domestic selling of almost 20,000 crores, right? Ex-SIPs. Everybody reads 5 to 10 books a year. And some of us end up wanting to read 30, 40 books a year. And that's our source of competitive advantage. And you can gain that same advantage. So you're going to live very long. Please keep yourself up to date. Please keep reading. It's very, very important. Thank you very much once again. Have a lovely weekend, all of you.